Hello students, welcome to the next class of computer. So in this class we will read about the range and how to select the range. So whenever we are going to write here range, that means certain group of data to be perform certain kind of manipulations. Okay, maybe addition, subtraction or multiplication. Instead of to write the continuous cell address one by one, if it is a serial cells, either row wise or column wise, if it is a serial cell, then instead of to write that one by one the cell address, so we can give the range. So range, that means suppose this one, suppose here you see this one B20, that is B1 it is 20, B2 it is 15, B3 it is 30, B4 it is 18 and B5 it is 17. So here these are the one range. This is called one, this is a continuous cells. Okay, either in the row wise or column wise, any group of cells if you want to represent, then that is called your range. Okay, and this range may be row wise or column. Suppose you are writing 4, 10, 11, 12, so 15. So this is one range. From here to here one range, here to here one range, either row wise or column wise, a group of data when you want to refer or when you want to specify, then that is called your range here. So instead of to write each cell address, you can write them in shortcut way also. So by giving the starting cell range and ending cell range. So whenever you are going to give like this in the formula, suppose you will write here B1, okay, B1, then colon symbol you will keep, colon, then that is B5. So this is called your range. Okay, that means B1 to B5, this entire value, whatever value exists between these two cells, how many cells are there, so that all cells, it refers to the all cells. Okay, this is called range. So like this manner here F, here it is, this is also, it can be range also, you can specify. So here basically whenever we are going to specify the range, at that time it is a small range also you can specify, or a big range also you can specify, that is up to you, but serially total value should be given in serially. Okay, serially it will take, leaving one after another, it will not accept that one. Okay, so how to select the range, so that is also how to select the range. When you are selecting range, keep your cell pointer here. Okay, keep your cell pointer here, first cell of the range. Suppose up to this, here to here you want to select. Okay, so to do different type of task with the worksheet, first work is to be select, and when you want to select it, you first to keep your cell pointer here, and after keeping your cell pointer here, then by keeping your mouse pointer inside this box, by keeping your mouse pointer inside the box, by pressing that, holding the left button of the mouse pointer, you drag it up to here, then automatically you will see this entire area, and up to how much you want to select, up to that cell you have to just drag it. Then after dragging you will see the entire cells, these all in different color it will come. Okay, so different color it is came, means it is selected, and this cell will be white, but rest of the cells will be in the other color. So by which you can recognize that this complete area it is selected. So what we will do here, again I am telling you, keep your cell pointer here. Okay, cell pointer after keeping, then take your mouse pointer to inside this box, and after keeping your mouse pointer there, then by holding down the left button of the mouse pointer, then drag it to the up to your desired cell, how much you want to select it. Okay, desired cell, that one, then you will see the entire this area color will be changed, and that is selected. Now you lift your finger from the left button, then automatically this is your last cell, this is your first cell. Okay, so this entire area it is selected. So like this manner, here if you want to select, then also you can easily select. Keep your mouse pointer here. Okay, keep your mouse pointer here, Then after keeping your mouse pointer here, your active cell is this one. Okay, cell pointer must be present here. Thereafter, by pressing the left button of the mouse, then you drag towards this way. This way you drag it up to here. Okay, this is your last cell where data it is entered. So they will see this entire area will be selected and it will come in different color. So this area, any area, not only this, the entire in the worksheet complete area. If you want to select also like that manner, you can select, or any row or any column you want to select, you can select it. Then next thing it is that now referencing, cell referencing. What is this cell referencing? Cell referencing means what? When you are giving cell address, then to perform various kinds of calculation. Okay, that means you are giving the reference of the cell. Cell address means that is the cell reference. So the cell address that you use in the formula, when you are writing the formula like this manner, so G9 and GH9, so like this manner formula when you are writing with the address, row number and column number, that means itself it is that cell reference. And self reference means that only. So self reference consists of your cell reference consists of your cell number, that is your row number and column number. Okay, so we'll read about that. There are three kinds of cell reference are there. Three kinds of cell reference are there, and that is was relative reference, thereafter absolute reference, thereafter mixed reference. Then one more is there also, that is generally most of the time we are not using, that is your circular reference. So this way there are altogether it is 4 references. So but generally most of the time 3 references, cell references we are using in our worksheet. Okay, so first of all we will see what is the relative reference. So relative reference, before we are going to discuss, once again we will erase this one and thereafter freshly once more we have to see.